Lucky Jutsu here, back again with another lit video. We outside, guys, today because you know quarantine is over, but you know I'm still wearing my mask because you know still gotta be protected. Out here with my sister. I don't know if she wants to be on camera, so I'm not gonna put her on camera. But yeah, we out here. We're just gonna go through the park, and I'm just gonna take you guys with me. It might be a little dark. It might not be good lighting, but yeah, there's a lot of people. Well, not a lot, like packed, but oh, I can't wait to see if I see the ice cream lady. Oh, she over there. Come on. I'm getting the ice cream because I wanted to get a frappe, but we passed McDonald's already, so I'm just gonna get ice cream.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
This for this? Oh my god, should have told me first, I would never got it. Oh, this. Are you dumb? Oh my New York people, okay? Brooklyn, whatever you want to call it.
150.
First of all, these used to be, yeah, $1.50, right? Then they put $2. Okay, $2. Calm, I'll pay $2. $3.
Okay, wait for the ice and
I could have got it from the ice cream truck.
No, I was talking about
with
that,
the
girl.
sprinkles. Sprinkles, and that's $2.50.
Oh,
Where
$2.50.
you be going? $2. Ice cream truck with an ice cream with sprinkles is $2.50. You never spent your own money on ice cream anyways for you to like know. Yes, I have.
Plenty of
But
time.
I'm taking my mask off because we about to go to areas where there's like less people. Coach,
Let me get some. Okay, let me get some.
just had a whole donut.
That was my money out for ice
And this is
cream.
with my money. $3. You think I'm gonna share these $3 with you? So it's very nice outside. I see a couple people outside. A lot of people outside.
Everybody.
Girl. But the park is like kind of like, let's walk this up. The park is kind of, it's such a big area, so it's like, it's less likely for you to be like catch, you know,
Look
get sick basically.
Ooh, I'm getting a little hot.
Yes, I need this sun though. It's very cold. I think they're trying to charge $3 because you know everybody needs to make money nowadays because you know the jobs are shut down, whatever. So I think she's trying to basically make more money. But miss, you're gonna scare people away by saying the ice cream is $3 because who's really gonna pay for that? Let me know. Cause if she would told me, I would never got it. I only got it because I thought it was gonna be $2. She said, "Miss, this is $3." Who you talking to?
There's another lady right here.
But you should go say $3 too. Dude, just ask her.
No. No.
Just ask her how much is it.
No. I'll pay for it? Because I
If it was
would
too
gladly. Just get your walks in.
I'm trying to
I should wear my Apple Watch.
get this body right.
Oh my god, that's good.
Period. So the sun is out. And do you see my highlight though? Period. It's bomb. I wish the sun was this way because this is the way we have to walk. But the sun is this way. So yeah. You're not in the bike lane. The hell? That's not the bike lane. The bike lane is with the bikes on it. Come on. This man just almost hit me with his bike and tried to make it seem like I'm not walking where I'm supposed to walk. First of all, the lane that I'm in is for cars, okay? Cars. But in the park, not really cars can really drive through. The only cars that usually drive here are like police cars. And he almost hit me, and then he turned around and he's gonna say, watch it. Or whatever he said. I don't know what he said, but like he tried to be rude about it. Like, sir, first of all, relax that neck. And second of all, just go in your lane. They have a bike lane for a reason, for the bikes. You swerving, going in and out. Now I gotta suffer because you wanna be. If he would've hit me, that's all I'm gonna say. She answered?
Something,
Call her again.
something big. She didn't answer.
About to go to the
You know
tunnel.
you smell my burnt perfume. I can smell all the stuff.
Yeah, if you go call.
Kayla. Let's answer her. She probably, her iPad probably died. Like normal. Usual.
I'm ignoring you.
Yeah, I just.
So I don't want to litter, so I'm looking for a garbage can. I tore that ice cream up, okay? I got my $3 worth. Talking about $3. But I didn't eat the bottom of the cone. There's no ice cream in it anyways.
I don't know. I feel like that part. I think that's the hard.
Hurry up. Why you go so slow all the time? This is not the, like, I realized that about you. You're very slow.
I walk fast, honey.
No, I said, you said across the street, said, come on, hurry up. Then you took a
doing
pause.
something.
After she took the pause, that's when she ran across the street. After I saw her hurry up because the bike was coming. The bike got close and then she started running. Girl, the man already here. You should just let
I
him
was
pass.
already walking there. So
No,
please,
baby, no.
Please. I'm trying
No,
to
baby, you wasn't.
answer my call. I'm trying to FaceTime you, bum.
But yeah, we're gonna go through this tunnel towards, I think it's a boathouse.
Boat house. Tunnel, here we come. I remember we had
I hear stuff in there ruffling up. And I don't know what it is, but
I'm scared.
going through this
I don't want to see no
tunnel.
monkeys. Please, no monkeys.
Not squirrels, not chipmunks, a mouse.
Chipmunks. Yo, they so
It's very dark, guys. So, I'm kind of scared because I don't want my phone to fall over. I want to show you guys. Look, Ellie. I'm going to take a picture.
I don't see no animal. No animal.
I'm going to take a picture right here, guys. So if you see a picture on Instagram, remember, guys, look at the light, Kelly.
Why are you not looking? Come in the camera. I don't see you. Put 'em up. Oh my god, my face looks so shiny.
This man is holding soap over here, and I smell it. He's blazing.
I took a picture of you.
How dare you?
She takes bad pictures.
I take good pictures.
I don't know.
Take my pictures. Ew, I don't take pictures.
Yeah, I just messed up. Like, it's fuzzy.
It's okay.
So, yeah, we just took some pictures.
Period.
And I don't know if I want to do a skincare video for you guys. Maybe I'll do that one. Like, show you guys what products I use on my face. And I'll probably use the products too. Like, show you guys how I take off my makeup. 20%.
Oh my god.
Like, show you guys how I take off my makeup.
Mine. I have a lot
All that. So, come on. Let's go.
Oh no. I'm gonna have to cut the video in parts. Nobody gets
Airdrop, girl. We live in the same house.
Oh, airdrop, you don't have to do that?
Nope.
Oh, well, I'm gonna start. No, but I can't airdrop to other people.
So, we're gonna go to the waterfall.
Ooh, that looks pretty. Where is it?
Oh, we can walk there, but I don't want to walk there. I'm gonna go around.
That little bit, please.
I'm gonna go all the way around. Right now we're trying to find the waterfall, but we kind of, I think we, oh, okay, I think we got it now. We had to walk all the way around to get this waterfall. But I want to show you guys, because you can like walk down. And I want to put it in my video, and I want to just record some of it and put the music in the background, like, you know how it's be.
What? No.
Well, it's people there. They usually like have their dogs there. Hey guys. I gotta remember everywhere that I'm walking so that I can know how to get back where I just came from. But at least I recorded it on video. But yeah, we just basically went around, that's it. So I don't know where else we should go. This sun is so pretty. Maybe we'll sit down. It's really like a lot of air.
Yeah. What's that?
That little spot. That's bubbling?
Yeah.
I don't know. Because I don't think I want to put my family in my vlogs. Not really to not say like I don't want to show you guys my family, but it's just like a really like privacy thing. And not everybody probably wants to show off their whole family in a vlog, you know? Some people might just...
I remember when I went in that.
What, in the boathouse?
No, this.
Oh, in the tree house. We should go in it.
No.
So, it's this big tree. I don't know if you guys can see it. And it has an inside to it. I think there's people in there though, so we're not gonna go in there. But it's like basically shade, and it's just a big floppy tree. Oh, they're taking pictures over there. So pretty. Oh, the boathouse is open. But not like open. It's open for like, people that are working in there. I don't know what they really do in there. Like, what's the actual... I did a video here before. A dub smash here.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Not long ago. And it was like a little silly one. I said I was gonna talk about the impediment and then I spoke for 1 minute. But okay, about the impediment. I've been using it for what, 2 weeks now? Straight, 2 weeks straight.
You look like a whole different color from me.
Girl, we are 2 different colors.
You look very tan.
I am tan. I'm getting a tan out here. But so about the impediment, you guys should get it because it actually does work. You do start to see results a little bit after taking it. When I first started, I was 111 pounds, and then I just weighed myself. I think I'm 122 pounds now, like today. But yesterday I was 121, but it was 121.8, and I've been eating, okay? Heavy meals, so yeah. Even if you're not taking, like, eating very heavy meals, you can still take it, and it will still help you gain weight, regardless. So after the first 3-4 days, I have not been drowsy at all. I don't take naps anymore. I'm kind of a little sad about that, but not, because I had like very productive days and stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna probably like insert a clip somewhere of my weight so you guys can see. So I'm gonna put this as like a vlog slash a pediment update. That's what I'm gonna do. But yeah. So I don't really have any updates on my life yet because it's kind of still quarantine for me and my family. This is the first time I've been like outside, but literally I'm at the park closest to my house, so I don't really count that as outside. I didn't have to like travel or no public transportation or take any transportation in general. Like I've just been walking, and I think it's healthy to just walk and do a little exercise through the park. Like there's nothing wrong with that. I see a lot of couples, you know, coming up in the park, but yeah, they have like a lot of new stuff in this park. I don't know. I haven't last year or like 2 years. I haven't been actually in walking through the park in a while or anything of that matter. So I don't know. They have like this little thing with these benches that like are made out of wood, and they're so pretty. I really don't know where we're walking to, but we are walking. And I'm just glad that there's not a lot of bugs because I don't even know bugs touching me or anything of that matter. It says no fishing here. Help us provide wildlife. Yeah. I have seen a lot of people fish in Coston Park. If it's not a fishing area, I'm not fishing because like I don't think that's good. And then like to eat the fish, if you fishing to like throw it back in, that's fine. But like to fish and eat the fish from this park, that's not sanitary to me. That would not be cute. Yuck. Like I realized that I breathe really heavy and I be sounding like I'm out of breath. Cause sometimes I do be out of breath, but like I be like nah. But honestly, after this bottle, like the pediment has worked so much that honestly I don't think I'm gonna get another bottle of a pediment. Maybe if I do see my body weight going down again, because like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to maintain the weight because if I'm just not, I don't know, my body's weird. If I don't maintain the weight, I might have to get back on it again. But if I do maintain the weight, then I will not be continuing because I'm already 120, and I think I had said I wanted my goal to be 125 or 135. But I think 125 is good, or 130 the most is good, because like I said, I've seen the weight actually piling on, and I don't know.
Stay on the phone with me. You take a picture of me.
This girl, I'm talking. But yeah, I don't think I want, you know, to go.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Stop it.
That
Put out there.
thick. With that
Talk
thick,
to me.
okay?
Let me take a picture of you.
12 inches is sleep.
Come on, camera. Smile.
I'm with the gang. I'm
Do
with
another
the.
pose.
I wanted to do some TikToks today because I did my makeup.
I can't see your face.
But I did like calm face.
So you have to put
I
your
want to do some
iPad
TikToks.
up.
I wanted to do the white.
Let's
White.
talk.
White.
Because I'm in the. I'm
It's
in
too
the
late because I
park
already did my
now,
makeup.
boy.
And
Let's
I
talk.
think you're supposed to start ugly first and then
We're
you do.
just adventuring. Like we're just looking at all. Look at all them turtles. Let me show her the turtles.
Oh, we're gonna look at the turtles. Oh yes, I do see a lot.
Kelly, I'm gonna show you it.
Relax, I'm scared.
Okay,
Somebody was breaking this gate down.
turtles. You see it? You see them on the little.
I don't know how to zoom in.
Look, you see them, all of them on that little thing? You see it? All the shells? And then there's some,
Can't zoom in.
there's some right here. You see them?
I can't see regular.
Look closely. It's like she can't see. Or
No,
she
I
can
see
see.
closely. I can't see when it's...
You see
Take
that?
just take pictures.
Okay, I'll take a video. Bye.
Oh no, over there.
Oh wait, no, never mind. Look, there's some ducks, Kelly, some ducks.
can show her the turtles. You can see these 2 turtles right there on that branch, and
Okay, hang up.
You
and I'm
saw
gonna
some
take
ducklings?
Take a video, okay? And I'm gonna call you back.
right there. Oh, I just heard. Oh, it's a chipmunk. We should bring some bread.
All those turtles.
We should bring some bread. I'm scared. I want my phone to drop in there.
Oh, look, there's a turtle right there.
There's so too.
Mr. Nessie, it's not that big.
He's gonna get that
It
big.
can't be the same, can it?
He's gonna get that big.
I don't know.
He's like that big.
Yeah, that little one. Look at the little one. See it right there?
I like
Look at
those
the little
ducklings.
Look. Where are they? Oh,
Right there.
see the ducks and the little ducklings?
Okay, so this nature walk is coming to an end because we've already been out here for a good 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yep.
For real?
It was good because
I need some fresh
look at the
air.
time.
Oh my god, I'm just recording. Like
We
you
been was
didn't-
outside. I only started recording when we walked in the park.
Okay, so we was outside for like 50. Or
No.
an hour. Because we went to the store and stuff.
That was not 10 minutes. That was not that long.
The video and then the picture and the pajama. That one just took by
This
itself.
video might not be that exciting, but I'm gonna still post it because this is my life. This is, you know, a vlog. This is a nature walk outside, grass.
Nature walks are always good.
Yes. I think I'm gonna be a dog walker because look, she has all these dogs and I like that. And you could just walk them to the park and let them get some sunlight.
I'll
And
just do 2.
I like dogs, and that's an easy job to me. Unless, you know, they have, these people got these big rowdy dogs, then you should not be asking anybody to walk your dog if your dog is big. I keep hearing something following us through the grass, through the leaves. I keep hearing it, like, as we walk, it's walking with us and it's crackling. 12 inches is a flea.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the feet.
I'm with the flea.
Let's do a TikTok.
This is what happened last time.
Mine's not doing that yet. Thank you, Lord.
I'm just, look, see that piece? I'm gonna sew it back on.
Can I do a dub smash?
Do you not see my bag just broke? I really honestly don't know which way we came from.
I do.
So, like, I'm walking.
doesn't
but
matter.
when we walked up there, where we gotta walk that after that?
You can just do Google Maps.
Hmm. Now I do know, because we were by the boathouse. We just gotta go under the tunnel, and then boom, we're back on our path. We're gonna go to McDonald's before we go in the house.
Ooh, buy me some McDonald's.
Every day we eat outside food. Like, we be eating outside food every day. Like, my mom lets us get outside food every day, and she's getting tired of us now. And I would be too, because
Just look closely to see all the stuff in the air. I'm sorry for people that got eyelids.
look closely where.
You can see all the stuff flying around.
Not me.
Oh my
I
god,
can't
yo,
see
my
anything.
friends, they be like getting so like red and thing, and then one of my friends, like she gets like so much like little bumps around, and her eyes are just like so small.
I think my battery is about to die, so I might close out this video here, guys. If you guys like seeing me, you know, vlog, maybe you guys will like seeing me vlog like when I have actual stuff to do, because obviously today was a very pointless vlog. Every time I talk, this girl wanna talk, like, girl. Anyways, that's the point. So if you guys want to see me vlog, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If I get like 15 likes, I'm gonna vlog again.
20.
20, okay, 20.
No, 30.
You're trying it. I don't get that much views.
Yeah, like the video and subscribe and
But
comment
next
and
time I want to go
post.
somewhere actually. This is not somewhere to me. Like, this is a regular walk in the park, you know, regular. I want to go outside. Like, these places need to open up soon. But I hope you guys all stay safe. And like I said, make sure you hit that thumbs up button.
Give her
Comment
video
down
ideas.
Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe, guys. See you on another video.